Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What should a husband do if his father tells him to divorce his wife? Is he always required to obey? Many people point to the famous incident of Abdullah ibn Umar, who divorced his wife after the Prophet ﷺ instructed him to obey his father, Umar ibn al-Khattab R.A. But does that mean every father has the same authority? A man once asked Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, may Allah have mercy on him, "My father is ordering me to divorce my wife." Imam Ahmad replied, "Do not divorce her." The man then asked, "Didn't the Prophet ﷺ tell Ibn Umar to divorce his wife when Omar ordered him to?" Imam Ahmad gave a profound answer, "Is your father like Umar?" This response teaches an important lesson. The case of Umar ibn al-Khattab was not an ordinary family dispute. Umar was one of the greatest companions, known for his deep wisdom, justice, and sincerity. His advice was based on genuine concern, not personal emotion or preference. Islam does not teach blind obedience in every situation. Marriage is a sacred trust, and divorce is a serious decision. Each case must be judged on its own circumstances and according to the guidance of the Quran, the Sunnah, and qualified scholars. If there is no valid Islamic reason to end the marriage, a husband should not rush into divorce simply because someone demands it. May Allah grant us wisdom, strengthen our families, and guide us to make decisions that please Him. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. If you found this beneficial, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below.